This is how you can recover deleted files and videos from your WhatsApp using Tuguya.digital. Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Today, we're diving into the world of WhatsApp. As you can see, I've deleted some data and I asked WhatsApp's AI how to recover it. Here's what I found. Have you ever accidentally deleted an important photo or video? Don't worry, with the help of Tuguya.digital, you can now recover your deleted files. Stay tuned and learn how to bring back those valuable moments. Let's visit Tuguya.digital and see what it offers. Apparently, WhatsApp directs us to this platform as a free advisor to help solve various problems. One of these is recovering deleted files. On the screen, we're now looking for the option that fits our needs best, restoring WhatsApp. We'll select WhatsApp Restore. The advisor provided by WhatsApp is an AI developed by a tech team, and it asks, "How can I assist you today?" Once I entered my name, it let me know that it's currently helping 19 other users, but still asked how it could assist me. I explained that I wanted to recover deleted WhatsApp files. The AI responded that it didn't recognize my command, but suggested trying WhatsApp Restore. So I typed exactly that, making sure everything was lowercase, WhatsApp Restore. When I submitted the request, it informed me that it could only recover messages from the past 90 days. That's fine. As long as I can get back recent images and videos, it'll be perfect. I then entered my WhatsApp number and the system established a secure connection, letting me know the process would begin soon. Meanwhile, it kept me updated with little notifications in the chat, an awesome detail that made the wait much less boring. After a brief pause, it confirmed it had located the SQL database labeled Jacksari Backup. To recover deleted messages and files, it requested a quick verification. Don't worry, this verification is simple and tied to your own email. No notifications are sent, it's purely for security. To verify, it asked me to install an app. In my case, it suggested downloading TikTok and running it. I followed the instructions, and once the app was installed, I received the necessary links to recover my files. The system confirmed that the CAPTCHA was successfully completed and the file downloaded correctly. The next step was locating the file on the device. I navigated to the internal storage, found the WhatsApp folder, and there it was, Chat Sharing Backup. Inside, I found two recovered items. One was a document, and the other was an image I thought I had lost. And that's it. With Tuguya.digital, you can easily recover deleted files and videos from WhatsApp. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next video.